Yeah, and it's massive. It's massive. I don't know if piece of rock will crack and fell somebody on somebody. Yeah, but it's spectacular actually. This, how they call this beach?
Playa Frontón.
It is Playa Frontón. Playa Frontón, nice beach. Playa Frontón. A nice famous beach, you can reach it only from the sea. We had a nice ride on the boat with this crazy captain, you know, we just jumping from one wave to another. Everybody was so excited and so
Не снимать тільки на фотографію.
Фотографии.
я взяв штопор телефон. О-о-о. Playa Frontón, yeah, and what is our opinion? And well, and you cannot swim actually here because it's corals, very sharp rocks, very close to the shoreline. You know, you cannot go inside technically because you need maybe special shoe or something. And there's small strip when they are bringing tourists, and this sharp, nice sharp whatever rock on your head, and also like as I say, cocos palm, and the cocos can be fell down and hit somebody. It look like nobody, they stay under and they don't care really. Oh well, maybe it's normal. And they bring in new people and new people and new people. It has some facility. You can buy beer and probably you can have a lunch here, but you cannot find any washroom and something which is a garbage collection or whatever. It's my opinion, but it's good place to visit. And for other side I didn't make a picture of it, but exists some like cave. When you go inside, it's pretty big, and ceiling like a sphere. I mean, other side of this Playa beach. Yeah, well, I should go, and I went inside. I forgot to make, but you will know, guys, who somebody who going to be here. You know, from the left side of this playa, of this beach, you have to go around this whatever piece of rock. Well, you have special shoe, you can walk through the water. But with no shoe, I would be not recommend. And it's a cave there, pretty big. You know, like for cavemen, probably family of 10 could live there. Yeah. And ceiling very nice sphere one. But I'm not going to return back because my boat going to be pick up me soon. Yeah, as you see, this is beauty of it. You can see this big rock, which is actually, when you look in, it's actually getting scary. Piece of rock, and also, as I say, cocos, and people stay under the tree and don't afraid. Brave people. Fortuna, whatever, Fortune, Playa Frontón. And you see new people arriving. Some people, we have full boat of people actually. Yeah.